So say you have a top-down RPG. You want to run around and you can overlap with the part up here because your colliders are set up. When you walk over an NPC, you end up walking over it, which, it'd be great if you could, walk behind it. If you want to do that, close this. We'll create a new object. We will call it a node2d. We will put both of the characters under it, and then we will go into ordering and we'll do Y sort enable. And because of where the actual center parts of these are, so on this character it's right below the feet, and on this character it's also right below the feet. Now whenever they cross over each other, they will go behind or in front of each other depending on where on the screen they are. So then the question of this also comes up: if you have a tile map and you'd like to achieve a similar result, how do you get it so that if we're on, say, this layer and we put this down, you walk above it? Well, we want to walk behind it. So what we can do then, we can go to our tile map. We will replace this tile. We'll go into our tile set. We'll create a new layer. We'll call this Y sort. We want to enable Y sort on this, and we want to also enable Y sort on the actual node itself. We want to go over to tilemap. We'll drag this under the node 2D, and then when we go to paint our tile map, we will put down one of these, and then from there we can walk behind it. But when we go down below it, there may be issues depending on how you have your collision set up. So what we can do is we can go back to the tile map editor. We'll go to the actual object itself, that one. So we'll select this one. We'll fix this collider quick. We'll go up to Y sort origin, and we'll move it so that this point is at the very bottom. That way, when it does the checking, it will make sure that if the player and this are on a similar field, the player will always be on top. So now if we run over to it, the player will always be on top, the player will be behind it. And then, yeah, so we can do that with this one as well. We'll select that one, we'll put one in the world, we'll go to the tile set, where we'll set the origin of this one to 8 as well, just so that it's consistent. And then now when we run around in the world, we'll be behind it and we'll be in front of it.